Imagine this: you're at a dinner party, and someone casually mentions AI. Instantly, the room falls silent. Not because it's a dull topic, but because everyone starts wondering, will AI take my job? It's the modern-day equivalent of asking, is there life after death? But instead of pondering the afterlife, we're all contemplating the after-AI life. Welcome to the age of AI, where machines crunch numbers, but some careers remain untouchable because they need the human touch. This video reveals those AI-proof careers and the skills to future-proof your professional life. The rise of AI and its impact on employment. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It is a reality reshaping the way we work today. Across industries, AI is automating repetitive tasks, analyzing vast amounts of data, and even making complex decisions that used to require human judgment. But before you panic and imagine robots taking over your office cubicle with a coffee cup in hand, it's important to understand that not all jobs are at risk. In fact, AI is creating opportunities for humans to focus on roles that require intuition, creativity, and social intelligence. Many professions are becoming more valuable precisely because they complement AI rather than compete with it. This shift means that professionals who embrace AI as a tool rather than fear, it can unlock new levels of productivity, innovation, and career growth. The workplaces of tomorrow will reward collaboration between humans and machines, creating opportunities for more meaningful and impactful work. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025, while AI is projected to displace certain roles in industries such as administrative work and routine data analysis, it is also expected to create roughly 170 million new jobs by the end of the decade. These emerging roles are centered around uniquely human skills: empathy, critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving that machines simply cannot replicate. Imagine AI as a super-efficient assistant who can crunch numbers all day but still has zero understanding of humor, emotion, or nuance. That's where humans come in, taking on roles that AI can support but never fully replace. This evolution is not just about job security. It's about enhancing the quality of work and shifting focus toward tasks that are intellectually and emotionally rewarding. The future clearly favors those who can integrate AI into their workflow while emphasizing the irreplaceable value of human insight and connection. AI-proof careers. Certain professions are inherently more resistant to automation because they rely on human qualities that AI cannot mimic. Healthcare, for example, remains a stronghold of human necessity. Doctors, nurses, and mental health counselors do more than diagnose and treat. They provide empathy, comfort, and nuanced judgment in situations that machines cannot navigate. Nurse practitioners, for instance, are projected to experience a remarkable 45.7% increase in employment by 2032, according to the U.S. Career Institute. This growth is driven by an aging population, expanding healthcare needs, and the irreplaceable human element of patient care. Even as AI tools assist in diagnostics and treatment planning, the emotional intelligence required to truly care for patients keeps these roles secure. Creative professions also offer immunity from AI replacement. Musicians, writers, artists, and designers thrive on imagination, originality, and emotional resonance areas where AI may generate content, but it cannot replicate authentic human expression. Think about it. A computer can compose a song that follows the rules of music theory, but it can't write a ballad that makes you cry because it just gets you. Similarly, the demand for unique, human-generated content continues to grow across entertainment, advertising, and media, solidifying the value of creative professionals in the age of AI. Educators and trainers are another group of AI-resistant professionals. While AI can provide information and even personalized learning plans, it cannot inspire, mentor, or adapt lessons to the subtle needs of individual learners. Teachers play a critical role in developing critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and collaboration skills, human skills that machines cannot emulate. As the demand for upskilling and continuous learning grows, educators remain indispensable, guiding students and professionals alike through a complex and evolving landscape. Mental health professionals, including psychologists and counselors, provide support that no AI can emulate. Emotional support, empathy, and nuanced understanding are core components of these roles. With rising awareness about mental health issues worldwide, demand for qualified professionals is increasing. AI may offer chatbots or self-help tools, but they cannot replace the profound human connection and nuanced understanding that comes from genuine interaction with trained mental health practitioners. Finally, skilled trades such as electricians, plumbers, and carpenters continue to hold strong because these professions require hands-on problem-solving and adaptability. Unlike repetitive or predictable tasks, tradespeople often encounter unpredictable situations that require judgment, dexterity, and practical knowledge. The need for skilled tradespeople is not going away anytime soon, making these professions a reliable choice for those seeking job security in the AI era. Skills that enhance job security in an AI-driven world. In addition to choosing careers that are less susceptible to automation, it is equally important to develop human-centric skills that AI cannot replicate. Emotional intelligence tops the list. Understanding and managing emotions in oneself and others is critical in healthcare, education, leadership, and customer service roles. AI can analyze data about human behavior, but it cannot genuinely feel or respond empathetically. Professionals who can navigate complex social dynamics and build strong interpersonal relationships will always be in demand. Creativity is another skill that secures a person's relevance in the workforce. The ability to think outside the box, generate innovative ideas, and solve problems in unique ways remains distinctly human. Even the most sophisticated AI lacks the ability to invent entirely new concepts or approach challenges with originality. Critical thinking complements creativity. Professionals who can analyze information objectively, evaluate alternatives, and make reasoned judgments are highly valued in decision-making roles. Adaptability is essential in a rapidly changing job market. Technologies, workflows, and industry standards evolve constantly, and those who can embrace change, learn new skills, and pivot effectively will thrive. Being rigid or resistant to change, on the other hand, is a fast track to obsolescence. Interpersonal skills are equally vital. Strong communication, collaboration, and leadership abilities enable professionals to guide teams, negotiate effectively, and navigate complex workplace dynamics, areas where AI falls short. In short, a human who can collaborate, empathize, and innovate will always be more indispensable than any machine. Preparing for the future. Steps to take. Future-proofing your career is not about avoiding technology, it's about embracing it while building uniquely human strengths. Continuous learning is the first step. Staying updated with industry trends, taking online courses, and attending workshops ensures your skills remain relevant. This is particularly important as AI tools and processes continue to reshape workplaces. Imagine showing up to a meeting while your AI-powered assistant already has the data. The human edge comes from interpreting that data, making decisions, and guiding teams effectively. Networking is equally crucial. Relationships open doors that skills alone cannot. Whether it's connecting with industry professionals on LinkedIn, attending conferences, or participating in collaborative projects, your network can provide opportunities, mentorship, and insights that AI cannot replicate. Speaking of mentorship, seeking guidance from experienced professionals provides perspective, reduces trial and error, and accelerates career growth. Mentors can share wisdom, strategies, and personal experiences that machines simply cannot provide. Embracing technology is not optional. It's essential. Learning to work alongside AI tools, leveraging automation to streamline repetitive tasks, and using data-driven insights to make informed decisions all enhance your value. Far from replacing humans, AI becomes a partner that amplifies productivity and creativity. Finally, focus on human-centric roles. Careers that require interaction, creativity, problem-solving, and decision-making remain resistant to automation. By strategically aligning your career choices with these roles, you safeguard your professional future while also enjoying work that is meaningful and intellectually stimulating. The rise of AI is not something to fear but to embrace. By focusing on developing skills that complement AI and pursuing careers that require the human touch, you can ensure your place in the future workforce. Remember, while AI can replicate tasks, it cannot replicate humanity. So, the next time someone brings up AI at a dinner party, instead of worrying about job displacement, share how you're leveraging AI to enhance your career. After all, in the age of AI, it's not about competing with machines. It's about collaborating with them. And that's a wrap on the careers AI can't touch. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss tips to future-proof your career. Got a job you think AI could never replace? Drop it in the comment. I'd love to see your answers.